In a land where magic sparkled like stars, young wizard Ella Moonstone lived in her cozy cottage at the edge of the Enchanted Forest in Willowbrook. One morning, as Ella practiced her spells, her owl, Orin, swooped in with urgent news. "Something strange is happening in the forest." Orin hooted, his golden feathers shimmering. "The Sorcerer's Stone is missing." The Sorcerer's Stone was a powerful gem hidden deep within the forest. It gave life to the plants, made rivers flow, and kept the magic of the land strong. Without it, the enchanted forest would wither away. Determined to save her home, Ella grabbed her wand and followed Orin into the heart of the forest. The trees grew darker as they ventured deeper, and the air felt heavy without the stone's magic. Suddenly, they spotted a flash of light. Standing by a glowing tree was Grimlock, a mischievous sorcerer known for causing trouble. In his hand, he held the Sorcerer's Stone.
"Grimlock," Ella called out, "the stone belongs to the forest. You must return it."
Ha ha ha, Grimlock laughed. "Why should I? With this stone, I'll have more magic than anyone."
Ella knew she had to be clever. Instead of using her wand, she decided to outsmart him. "More magic, you say?" Ella said calmly, stepping forward. "But do you know how to unlock its real power?"
Grimlock paused. "Real power?" Grimlock shouted, "You are lying."
Ella nodded, a small smile on her face. "Yes. The Sorcerer's Stone only works for those with kindness and wisdom. Without that, it's just a rock."
Grimlock shouted, "Fine. Take it, but you'll see, it's worthless."
As soon as Grimlock vanished, Ella picked up the stone, its magic flowing back into the forest. The trees brightened, flowers bloomed, and the air became light and fresh once more. "You did it!" Orin cheered. Ella smiled, placing the stone back in its hidden place. "Magic is strong," she said, "but kindness is even stronger." And from that day on, Ella Moonstone was known not just for her spells, but for her wisdom and bravery.